In a math class, it's really difficult to integrate technology, but this is one of the many ways that you can, and this is Desmos.com. It's an online graphing calculator that allows you to graph functions, plot data, evaluate equations, and so much more. So this is a quick intro to Desmos calculator. So this is what comes up, and down over here, it's going to say show keypad, and you just click that, and your keypad will show up. Put this down a little bit so you can see the keypad. We're going to start by plotting a line, and you down here you can put y equals x plus 1, and you can also put in your equations through your keyboard. And as you can see here, the results will pop up immediately. Now we're going to plot like a curve. You could do y equals 1/3 x squared. And over here you can see that the curve popped up immediately. Now, to put in fractions, you can just do 1 divided by 3. Let's make sure we add the y in there. So we're going to do y equals 1/3, and you can see here that it's up. Now to enter an exponent, you can just click, if it's just squared, you can do x squared, or if you want another number that's not squared, you can click a to the b, and then it allows you to click any number here. And if you want to find points of intersections, these little gray dots on the graph, the points, if you click them, they will allow you to see where the lines intersect. Just click them, and you can unclick them as well. And to adjust the viewing in window, you would just click, hold, and drag, so you can see the how the graphs form. And to exit or to click out of graphs, you will just click this. So that is just a quick intro to Desmos.com.